Hello, this is Mark Sidonio from learningexchange.ptc.com, and this tutorial is creating a standard measurement in the mechanism application. So the first step is to open up the mechanism application. To do this, we're going to click on Applications, then Mechanism. Now before we can start doing measurements, we first have to have a servomotor analysis complete. So I'm going to click on Servomotors, and I'm going to leave the driven entity as a motion axis, and I'm going to choose this pin constraint. For the profile, I'm going to select velocity and a magnitude of 72. Now for the mechanism analysis, I'm going to click on the mechanism analysis button, and I'm going to change the type from position to kinematic, and I'm going to just make sure the motors has our servo motor selected, and it does, and I'm just going to click run. Now press OK. Now we're going to click on the Measurements tab, and the first thing we're going to measure is the position of the piston head versus time. So to do this, we first click on Create New Measurement. I'm going to leave it as Measurement 1. The type is Position, that's okay. And now we're going to select a point on the piston head, so I'm just going to choose this corner. We're going to leave the coordinate system, and where it says component, we're going to change that to the Y component, and that's because the piston head's only moving up and down in the Y component, so the others are not necessary. And we're going to click OK. Now if you highlight both Measurement 1 and Analysis Definition 1, then click on the graph icon in the corner, you can view the graph of the position versus time. And as you can see, it's a sine or a cosine graph, and this makes perfect sense because the piston head was moving up and down periodically. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. This is Mark Sidonio from learningexchange.ptc.com. Feel free to check out more Creo parametric tips and tutorials at PTC University or at learningexchange.ptc.com.